It's kinda dark out. I do think this fight is the light. Fight of the light. This is a rough draft, but fuck it, the timing was right.
Okay, so as I continue my journey, I'm understanding a lot more about, frequencies and vibrations. So I'm working on a lot of projects here. And, as days go on, I'm, picking up downloads over and over and over and over. And I got up the other day and I said, yo, maybe I can try something with the Ring camera and run frequencies through the Ring. Since everyone has Ring, we all should get together and run 432 hertz and other frequencies through our Ring cameras. Everyone can hear it. It's always outside. Sounds like a great idea to me. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but it's not going to be hard to do. This energy that's coming to our planet is, it's beautiful, and it's opening up all type of geometrical gateways for us, and we need to take advantage of them. So, with that being said, my Ring camera will be shooting these frequencies out of it, and I'm working on another little, system here that has a speaker hookup, with crystals and, that type of thing, tower wands, and that energy will be dispersed into the community. And if I can get enough people on board using that Ring, then it's going to hit the planet 10 times over. And I don't know if anyone ever thought about it, but we will remember who we are. We will get back to those times. They're coming, and I'm happy they're coming. Very happy. So like, comment, and share. Any questions, leave them in the comment section. Love you guys.
It's kinda dark out. I do think this fight is the light. Fight of the light. This is a rough draft, but fuck it, the timing was right.